Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide Pro. If you have noticed a feature called adaptive charging on your phone and wondered what it actually does, this video is for you. Many users get confused when their phone stops charging at 80% overnight, so let me explain everything clearly. Adaptive charging is a smart battery feature available on most modern phones. Its main goal is to protect your battery health and make it last longer. Instead of charging your phone to 100% immediately, it slows down the charging process. Your phone learns your daily charging routine over time. It observes when you usually plug in your charger at night. It also learns when you usually unplug your phone in the morning. If you set a morning alarm, the phone uses that alarm time as a strong hint. During the night, your phone charges normally up to around 80%. After that, charging pauses or slows down for several hours. This reduces heat and stress on the battery. Then, close to your wake-up time, the phone resumes charging. You may notice that adaptive charging finishes a few minutes before your alarm time. For example, if your alarm is at 6:15, the phone may finish charging around 6:07. This is completely normal. The phone keeps a small safety buffer to handle changes in charging speed or temperature. Adaptive charging does not track your sleep or spy on you. All learning happens directly on your phone. If your routine changes, the phone slowly adjusts to the new pattern. Now, let me show you how to turn on adaptive charging on your phone. First, open your phone settings. Then, go to the battery section. Here, look for adaptive charging or optimized battery charging, depending on your device. Simply toggle it on. If your phone asks for alarm integration, make sure your morning alarm is set. Once enabled, your phone will automatically manage overnight charging to protect your battery. This feature is especially useful if you charge your phone overnight every day. It helps reduce battery wear and keeps your battery healthier in the long run. For most users, keeping adaptive charging on is recommended. That's it. This is how adaptive charging works and how you can turn it on to keep your battery safe. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro for more simple and useful tech explanations. Hello everyone,